Alright, new jam. This is a darker jam. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's explain what's happening there. So, right hand. The back and forth sounding thing, your 3 finger is going on an E flat, the right of the two, and your pinky, your 5 finger, is going on G flat, the left of the 3. And your thumb is hitting a B flat, which is the right of the 3 below those other two. So those two at the same time, then the thumb hits that by itself. And that happens 4 times. And then your other 2 chords, you have a C minor chord. So this is actually an E flat minor. And then your other 2 chords are C minor, and B major. So you have E flat minor, C minor, and B major. The 3 notes for the C minor are C, E flat, and G. 1 finger, 3 finger, 5 finger. Then the B, you have the 1 on a B, the 3 on the E flat, and the 5 on the G flat. And if we're being technical about this, it's D sharp and F sharp. When you go to play those chords, you have so those 2 happen together, the C and E flat, and then the G by itself, and then you're going to play the D sharp and F sharp, or E flat and G flat, same thing, together, and then the B. So you may have to practice going these 2 to this one a little bit, because getting these 2 to hit at the same time is kind of tricky at first, because you're using these 2 fingers, which are not the strongest fingers. So you may end up with like, and you want the left hand. You have this little bass line that happens separately some and together some. So you have C, and I'm using my 4 finger, 3 finger, and 2 finger. And then for the B, I'm using my pinky. So those are the 4 notes you're playing. Now the first 3 notes for that little in-between ditty. So C, D flat, E flat, D flat, C, back to E flat. So when you put that together with the right hand slowly, when you switch to those two chords, you have the C with your forefinger, and then B with your pinky. So all three parts sound like okay, and then so let's do this slowly.